Look at the corrosion on the main fuselage mount. It's extensive. Copy that. Structural integrity is definitely compromised. Flight controls are locked solid with rust.
Give it some leverage on that hinge. It's really seized up. This rust is really caked on here. Yeah, we'll need the power buffer for this section. This rust is really caked on here. Yeah, we'll need the power buffer for this section. All right, bring her down slowly. Watch that clearance. Steady now. Hold it there while we secure the straps.
Still seeing residue in cylinder 4.
Does the manual allow that tolerance?
No, we need to clean it before reassembly.
Looks good right there. Send it home. All right, seated. Grabbing the wrench.
P3 connector locked. Check the schematic. Diagram confirms continuity. Ready for tie down. Roger that.
Systems check complete. Woo! We did it! Flawless run! Woo! Great job, everyone.
Monitor the hydraulic pressure on auxiliary systems. It's reading low here. Initiating the bypass procedure. Stand by, let's see if it stabilizes.